Hey babes, it's Nails by Rain, and today we'll be unboxing the September Your Nail Lab box. I'm so excited to see what's inside, and I hope I can create some beautiful looks. We're just gonna open it up. When we open it up, it says, hey babe, like how could you not wanna open it? We got 2 acrylics. The first one is a clear, which is perfect for any nail tech. And then we have High Society, this really pretty purple glitter. And then we have our nail art foil glue. You can never run out of those. And then we have some nail decor, which I'm seeing some seashells giving me beachy vibes. Oh my goodness, it has these beautiful plants, stickers, these bikini stickers, these ahoy stickers, and some seashells. I have a look in store for this. Ooh, some pump ups, long stilettos. So cute, you guys, and it comes in different colors and they're eco-friendly. Did I mention that? And then we have our nail stamper for all of our beautiful stickers we just received. It'll help make it a little easier to encapsulate when we put the stickers on. And then we got 2 polishes. Oh my gosh, you know I love the pinks. We have It's a Secret, super cute. And then we have our Red Impress. So stay tuned for the looks that I create with my nail box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you loved the look that I created with my September Your Nail Lab box. To subscribe to get a box of your own at yournaillab.com, and to keep up with me on Instagram at nailsbyrain. See you guys next time.